In today's video, we're going to be talking about formulating a client's agenda, and I am going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to get that done. So when formulating an effective agenda for a client, it involves careful planning and organization to ensure that all key topics and discussions are covered during the meeting. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to formulate an agenda for your client meeting. Include a clear, concise title for the agenda, along with date, time, and location of the meeting. Begin with a brief introduction, welcoming the client and expressing appreciation for their time. Set a positive tone for the meeting. If this is a follow-up meeting, review the minutes of the previous meeting. Discuss the action items, decisions made, and progress updates. Outline the main objectives and goals of the meeting. What specific outcomes or decisions are expected to be achieved? List the main topics or discussions that will be covered during the meeting. Be specific and provide a brief description of each topic. Break down each main topic into subtopics or discussion points. Include a short explanation of what will be addressed under each point. Assign specific time slots to each discussion point to ensure efficient time management. This helps prevent overrunning and ensures that all topics are adequately addressed. If there will be any workshops, brainstorming sessions, or interactive activities, outline them in the agenda along with their objectives. If the meeting is expected to be lengthy, schedule short breaks and networking opportunities to keep participants engaged and refreshed. Allot time to discuss any decisions that need to be made during the meeting. Clearly list action items and assign responsibilities. Include a segment for questions and answers, as well as an open discussion where participants can share their thoughts or concerns. Summarize the key takeaways from the meeting and discuss the next steps, deadlines, and responsibilities. Outline any follow-up tasks, deadlines, or deliverables that result from the meeting. Indicate when the next meeting is scheduled, if this is applicable. Include your contact information, such as email, phone number, in case the client has additional questions or needs to reach out. If there are any documents, reports, presentations, or visuals that will be shared during the meeting, mention them in the agenda and attach them if necessary. Remember, an effective agenda provides structure, ensures that all necessary topics are covered, and helps participants prepare for the meeting. Share the agenda with participants in advance to allow them to come prepared and contribute meaningfully to the discussions.